How to create a Google Drive. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open up any web browser. Now, creating a Google Drive is essentially about setting up a Google account. For that, you want to head over to accounts.google.com. Here, if you already have an account, you can sign in. Otherwise, you want to click on the option of Create Account. Select any one of these. Then, over here you will have to enter your first name. The surname is optional. Now click on the next option. Here you will have to enter your date of birth. Now select your gender and click on next. Here you will have to create your username. After that, create a password. Click on the next option after confirming the password. Now over here, enter your phone number for verification. Then click on the next option. Once you have entered all the relevant information, your new account will be created. Now head over to drive.google.com. As you can see, your drive has been created. Now you can click on the new option, and from here you can create new folder, upload file, upload folder, and also use Google Docs and many other things. Click on the option of new folder to create a new folder. Now type in a new name and click on the create option. Once your folder has been created, right-click and select File Upload. Then, from your desktop, you can select whichever file you want to upload and click on the Open option. As you can see, the file has now been uploaded. Now, you can click on the I button, and from here on the Details section, you can decide who has access to your folder. Click on the Manage Access option, and from here you want to enter the people or group that you want to provide access to. Then click on the Send option, and this is basically how you can create and use Google Drive. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.